alisema watu natii. Alisema tuje Naivasha, tukafika Naivasha 2 days before.
This is a serious problem. My daughter, you can come anytime. Security and cabinet. And we have a very good president. If you convince him, you persuade him. Excuse me, madaktari, kwa Twitter ni kusifu tu.
Thank you so much,
And the meetings have resolved and have generated understanding. Key among them is that overseas treatment, which was not yet formalized, has already kicked off in earnest. The capping itself has been restored to its original status of 10,000 per visit. The issue related to hospitals asking for copay has been removed.
All that we need to tell our facility owners, and teachers can access both private, public, and faith-based. And they can access from level 2, level 3, all the way to our referrals. They can go to our private referrals, they can go to the faith-based referrals, they can go to the public referrals like Kenyatta.